you want to help someone who's dealing with some tension headaches, or just help someone to relax and let go of stress, then let's give them an amazing head and scalp massage. That is coming right up. Hey there, Shai here, the founder of the Still Light Center School of Thai Yoga Massage, and today I want to teach you how to give an amazing scalp massage. Turn your fingers into magic. Just help your partner, help your client to relax so deeply, so powerfully, help them to let go, help them to deal with tension headaches or stress that may be going on in their life, and just feel so much better. Just before we jump into this, I want to ask you, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell below. You get notifications every Wednesday when I post a new video. Alright, so I've got a little teaching video that is going to turn your fingers into these amazing magic wands. You got 10 fingers, you got 10 magic wands on the tips of your fingers. So let's just check this out, and then we're going to come back and talk for a couple minutes. I'm going to help you to refine that and give you tips for how to give an incredible scalp massage. And then we'll come up to the head for what we call the shampoo. So your fingers sink in enough that they're at the roots. There are thousands of little pressure points on the head, so you can simply just make sure that you make circles all over the head. We want to add something a little energetic at the end. We can do what we like to call aerobics. So we're going to do a little pulling. You're going to slide your fingers so that you're at the hairline. Make little fists and just gently tug. Release. And now if it's someone like me, hard tug in there. Well, I've got a little to hold on to these days. You can just do something more like that. Balinese, right. A little energizing kind of finger. You can do that if your partner has hair too. Either way. And then we finish up with some more massage, just circle it out, sweep it out. You could always go back to your catwalk at any time. And then when I finish up, some of the things I like to do, I might sweep the third eye kind of area and just kind of hold there. Or what I love to do is rub your hands together, cover the face without touching, send some heat and some metta there and over the ears, maybe a little more sweeping, and then namaskar. There you have it. There's your massage. Okay. So the big thing that I want to say here is how much pressure are you going to give with your fingers, okay? So I always talk about getting to the level of what we call fascial depth. So when you're massaging the scalp, I want you to feel like you are moving the scalp around. You're not pushing too hard and you're not pushing too light. It's somewhere in between. So what is fascial depth? Really quickly, fascia is all the connective tissue in the body, and the lightest depth of the fascia is just below the skin level. So if, for example, you take your forearm as an example and you just feel it, you have the surface level where you're feeling the skin, and if you poke deeper, you might be feeling deeper muscles. But if you just move your forearm just a little bit, you can feel that not only is the skin moving, but the layer just below the skin is moving as well. That's the fascial depth. So on the head, when you're massaging the scalp, you want to feel the same thing, that you're not right at the surface level where the skin is, but you're going just a little bit below that so that you can move the whole scalp around. And when you do this, to really accentuate and give an amazing head massage, don't just stick to the top, but go all the way around on the sides and on the back. You can continue on the neck as well. And I'm telling you, because the brain is obviously connected and in charge of all the movements of our body, all of the activities of our body, when you massage that area, it is a chain reaction of letting go, of peace. It's like you're signaling to your body, whatever you are doing right now, just stop. Just stop and relax and create some space. And when you create space, what you do is literally you give more room for whatever stress, whatever it is that was containing you, to be released, to let go. And that is the intelligence of the body. That is how it works. So just takes 2 minutes to do this, and then you're going to help your partner to relax to such a deep level. And if you can do it consistently on a daily, then really, if you have someone who is that just deals with a lot of stress in their life, or tension headaches, or things of that kind of ilk, then you're retraining their body to help them really let go of those things. And I believe really strongly that you can help them to, essentially reduce or maybe even eliminate the frequency of those issues. It's so important to practice this as a regular habit in your life, and it really just takes a couple of minutes to do. You can do it lying down on a bed, you can do it on a carpet, you can do it on a couch, you can pretty much do it anywhere. And if you want to keep building it out, well, then you should know that this is part 3 of a sequence for how to give an incredible head, neck, and shoulder massage. And all you got to do is click on the links below or up above to put the whole thing together and accentuate it and make it a date night. Make it something special, or integrate it with your yoga classes, or integrate it into your massages, and give this long and beautiful and incredible head, neck, and shoulder massage. If you have any questions, then I want you to post them below. If there's anything that you want to learn, please post them below as well in those comments. And then come and learn in person whenever you're ready by finding me, by clicking on the calendar. And it's not just me, but I have a team of teachers, and we teach all over North America as well as in Australia. Otherwise, there's more than 120 videos here to get you going, to understand all kinds of techniques and principles and philosophies, and hear even from different experts about Thai massage. And it's all here, so just click on the playlist, get going, and understand what this is all about. We'll see you soon. Wishing you amazing massages. Namaste.